exist to open the doors to opportunities. Is the essence of our legacy. Propelling us to a world of new possibilities, to take the road less traveled. We strive to be a beacon of certainty in an increasingly complex world. By enabling intent, we turn resolve into reality. And by becoming the wind beneath the wings of new ambitions, we give flight to a million dreams. By exceeding expectations always, by embracing simplicity, we put people before profit. Ours is a journey filled with stories of shared success and growing together. By powering a young nation to reach its true potential, we've become a partner that India can count on. Tata Capital, count on us.
खूबसूरत सी तुम कोई चिंता करो सपनों में रंग भरने की बेफिक्र चिंता करो पीछे भरोसा खड़ा।
नाइस ना?
ये भी अच्छी है यार भाई। ऑन रोड या ऑफ रोड?
रोड ट्रिप पे किस बाइक की सवारी होगी, ये खूबसूरत चिंता आप करिए। टू व्हीलर लोन की चिंता हम संभाल लेंगे विद इंस्टेंट अप्रूवल एंड लोन अप टू 100%।
Pronounced as a nation bereft of oil by the initial studies, ONGC was not the one to take things hands down. With grit and gumption as its accoutrements, it set out to challenge every such notion. ONGC proved the detractors wrong on land first, and then bolstered by its success, even venturing offshore. With original oil in place of 2,269 mmTOE since its discovery, Mumbai High has extracted approximately 748 mmTOE oil and gas with an approximate value of 7,541 billion rupees. 4 redevelopment schemes have been implemented since 2000 for augmentation and sustenance of Mumbai High field production. As part of Mumbai High South redevelopment in 2022, the state-of-the-art water injection cum living quarter platform NWIS-R has been commissioned as part of implementation of EOR project Low Salinity Water Flood project with a capex of 3,740 crore rupees. Low salinity water flooding, an EOR technique, has been implemented for the first time in Indian offshore. As part of the Mumbai High North redevelopment phase 4 with a capex of 2,750 crore rupees, new living quarter and revamp at NQ Complex project was commissioned in 2023. This has enhanced accommodation capacity and operational efficiency at the NQO complex. Currently, Phase 5 of redevelopment is under implementation with envisaged incremental gain of 4.365 MMT oil and 1.827 BCM gas by March 40, with drilling of 71 wells. Further, Phase 6 redevelopment scheme has been conceptualized. The scheme envisages incremental gain of 4.977 MMT oil and 4.856 BCM gas by March 40, with drilling of 108 wells. Sea seismic survey covering 1,220 square kilometers has been completed in Mumbai High South for better reservoir characterization, fracture network solution, and bypassed oil mapping. The water injection by combining machine learning, physics-based reservoir modeling, and advanced optimization techniques. Water flood optimization methods have been developed. It has been adopted in L2 North Reservoir with anticipated cumulative oil gain of 4.3% by March 2025. In the field of chemical EOR, ONGC is in an international collaborative project with University of Texas in Austin, USA. In a bold move towards future readiness, ONGC is embarking on an ambitious journey, poised to reshape the landscape of offshore energy projects. With a plethora of endeavors already underway and a multitude on the horizon, ONGC is charting a course that promises innovation, efficiency, and unprecedented scale. In Western Offshore, 17 mega engineering projects are in the pipeline, with a combined investment cost of more than $4.4 billion. This will result in incremental oil and gas gain of 63 MMTOE. 37 wellhead platforms stand poised to emerge, complemented by a vast network of pipelines spanning more than 1,100 kilometers, about reimagining the very fabric of project execution by adopting radically new methods of project design and execution. Betting on the future of India's energy landscape, ONGC is charting an $8.8 billion investment on key projects aimed at unlocking the potential of India's offshore oil and gas fields. The Western Offshore Unit continues to fuel millions of dreams and lives up to its promise of providing energy to India today and for tomorrow.
व्यू मस्त है और चाय भी बुरी नहीं है।
नए घर में चाय के मजे कहाँ लोगे? ये खूबसूरत चिंता आप करिए। होम लोन की चिंता हम संभाल लेंगे विद अट्रैक्टिव इंटरेस्ट रेट्स एंड इंस्टेंट सैंक्शन।
पलक झपकाओ, बढ़ती फैमिली के लिए टाटा कैपिटल होम लोन पाओ।
मुझसे नहीं होगा यार।
उनको देख रहे हो?
क्या संगीत तक ये स्टेप सीख पाएंगे? ये खूबसूरत चिंता आप करिए। शादी के पर्सनल लोन की चिंता हम संभाल लेंगे विद इंस्टेंट अप्रूवल एंड ओवरड्राफ्ट लाइक बेनिफिट्स।